Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn and practice about consonant sounds. There is sounds, 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 and sounds. Okay, the first consonant sound is sounds. Example words of sounds is hug, house, head, heart, unhappy, behave, hospital, behind, help, history. Then the second sound is sounds. Example word of the sounds is lemon, human, tomato, petrol, mushroom, make, climb, women, maybe, time. Then the sounds. Example word of the sounds is tennis, sunny, runner, bacon, nutrition, fun, queen, night, again, nine. Okay, now the last consonant sounds is sounds. Example word of sounds is think, running, tongue, traveling, playing, climbing, bring, from, coloring, cooking. Okay guys, I think enough for today. I'm sorry if there's a mistake, but I hope this video is useful. Thank you very much for attention and watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.